viewers, this is vacuum cleaner. Here we are using a transformer. It is a step down transformer. It converts 230 volts AC into 12 volts AC, and then here we are using a power supply board. The power supply board converts 12 volts AC into 5 volts DC or 12 volts DC. The components which are used to convert the 12 volts AC into 12 volts DC are a bridge type rectifier and a capacitor and a regulator. Bridge type rectifier converts 12 volts AC into pulsating DC. So the capacitor gives us pure DC. And then regulator divides the 5 volts and 12 volts. So here we are using for the vacuum cleaner 12 volts DC. So we connected the 12 volts DC into a CPU fan to clean the surface. So the functionality of when we switch on, the fan will rotate, and then so this is how it's clean. The whole dust will stay in this bottle because of the thermocol. Then easily we can remove the pipe and clean the dust in the cleaner.
Want to complete your academic project from home? Here is the solution, that is Takeoff Projects. First company in India providing virtual assistance for academic projects. Project assistance providing for BTech, MTech, PhD students. Our specialities: latest projects, virtual project assistance, 100% student satisfaction, affordable price, expert guidance, online project delivery. We are sure your search ends with Takeoff Projects. www.takeoffprojects.com. Call +919030333433.